Hey guys, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy. We're finishing our work planner, monthly layout, happy planner, yada yada. So this was the dashboard page that we already did. We've done the daily task pages. We did the journal pages, and now we're going to do the calendar view. So let's go ahead and take this off. I had such a hard time really trying to think of what I wanted to do on here. I did take a photocopy of this strip and I cut it out because I really liked how it looked and I wanted to use one over here. The color isn't as vibrant, but I think it's okay. You can't really tell too much, right? So what I wanted to do was, where's my whiteout? I just want to add this somewhere. So I think I'm just going to add it. Oh, I can't get my whiteout. I'm just going to add it over here on the edge. So let's do that. And then the other thing I thought was using this across here. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see how it looks. And I guess I should have separated this. I just basically, before I used it, I took a little quick copy of it. I wish I would have taken more because I would have liked to use another one, but there should be enough. And I didn't cut it super straight, so it might have a little bit of a white edge here. I'm okay with that. I'm just going to put it. I'm not going to worry about it too much. So we're going to cut these like this. Okay. It's, like I said, it's got a little bit of a white edge, but I'm just not going to fret over it. And then for this part, I was thinking, I think I'm going to cover these like this, right here. And then I'm going to take my days of the week and go over sort of like the middle of it. But let's see, I want to do like that first. Does that look about right? Yeah. I also wanted to add the washi that we're using that has the polka dots. So I wonder if I should add this first and then do the days of the week. Let me see. That keeps ripping on me, which is very annoying. Okay, that one didn't rip. So let's just go ahead. I think I'm just going to line it up to the line instead of lining it up to the washi. So I'm going to cut it here. And then I'm going to tear it like I've been doing on the other pages. So like this, up and down, like that. Okay. And I know that there's a 1 here, but I'm just not even going to worry about it. I think I'm just going to go ahead and cover it also. I don't think this piece is long enough, but maybe it is. Let's see. I think it might be just short. I don't know. Well, would you look at that? It looks like it's going to be long enough. Let's do like that. Like I said, I'm not going to worry about that one. That's a Saturday anyway. Okay. So let's go ahead and tear this just so that it's more or less like the other part. Okay. All right. So I thought of that, and then I thought maybe using these. These are days of the week from my shop. And I'm just going to put them like right over Monday. And then, oh, wrong. This is Monday. And I hate that. I really wish it was a Monday start. Oh, Lord. I'm really messing it all up. Monday, Tuesday. So this one's Sunday. And then Wednesday. Thursday. And this was the extent of what I knew I sort of wanted to do. Thursday looks kind of crooked, huh? Let me fix it. Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday. Okay. All right, so then remember we had saved these. So I wanted to use this big one. I think I'm just going to butt it right up against this thing. Like that. Oops, I went a little low, but that's okay. It's just like a tiny, tiny, tiny bit. I can trim it. Like that. Okay. Oh, got something on here. All right. Then, what else? Thought about somebody down here because I've got so many of these girls. I'm thinking her. You can go over here, right on the edge, all the way down. Whoop. Like that. Okay. Then what else did I think? Let's see. I've got this one. I don't know. Do I want to cut it off just a little more so that it's not in the Sunday? And then we just have like this much. I don't have a problem with that. I think, or do we want to do like a flower? I think we need a smaller flower, like up here. Let's put this one here, but I'm going to cut off some of the white so that we're not covering up stuff that we don't have to cover up. That should be good. Let's see. So we'll do like that. And then cut it here. Okay. And I do think I'm going to cut this one because I kind of like this color. I wish there wasn't this white thing right here though, but I think I might just color that in. So let's do that. Okay. I just really like, like the color that's there anyway, so that's good. I guess this one could actually sit here. What do you guys think? I kind of like that. Or maybe here? I don't know. It's not bad, right? I think it looks okay. Let's see. We've got this Create that I think I'm going to put over here. Just kind of low. Thursday, Friday. I don't know. I kind of like that. Maybe this can go up here. I think I'm going to put it here. I like that black right there. And I know we're going to end up cutting the flowers, but that's okay. It's all right. Okay. And then we've got this little piece. So this piece we can actually use to make this one look a little bigger. Or we could put it here. I think I'm going to use it here to make that look a little bit bigger. Like that. Okay. There. All right, so what do we have left? I'm not using any of that stuff because all of that's very big, so I'm going to put that to the side. I honestly don't think we need a whole lot more. I like this. Do we want this thing, the chair, just kind of hanging out? Maybe the chair can go over here. Maybe we just don't even need the chair, do we? The chair's kind of big. What do we have that's small? Got this. This is really cute. And it fits, so this one's going here. And then we can use the picture. Let's put the picture kind of down low. And then we're going to use this is the scissors. That one's going to go there. And we can put this washi, no, maybe these. Maybe these can go here. I think I'm going to cut these. I'm going to get rid of this one because it makes it a little too wide. So we're going to do like this. Let's put that one there, like that. These can go here. Okay. Well, isn't that coming out cute? For just kind of winging it, not knowing what we're doing. Do I want to put the pen? This is the smaller pen, right? I'm going to put in the pen like this and then cutting it. All right. I like that. And then I'm going to, well, this is going to be a short video. Where's my marker? I had it earlier. Let me find my marker. Okay, I was going to use the marker to do like lines, but remember I had taken these in the last video, the essential quotes. I kind of like these, so I think I'm going to try and just use some of these to dress up this area and see how we feel about it. So I'm just going to put this like right there. Stay patient and trust your journey. And then we've got, let's see, this one's kind of long too. Here's to those that inspire us and don't know it. Let's put that one here. And then we've got dreams don't work unless you do. And that is a good reminder to get to work. So I'm going to cut this one just a little bit, because I wonder if it should go. I'm thinking it needs to go. I wonder if this one should have gone there, and then this one here. I just think I'm just going to put it here. Dreams don't work unless you do. And then let's use this smaller plan on it. Let's put that one here. And then plans or dreams in the making. Let's put this one over here. And then let's use go with the flow here and now. Hello today. Be bold. Go with the flow. Let's do hello today. Well, that's looking kind of cute, right? It's different. Love this because I am loving this. Let's do love this here. And then let's do one like right here. Be your own hero. And I kind of feel like if I move it, oh, that's a little too far. I know. Let me make it just a little smaller. Be your own hero. Let's move this one over here. What do you guys think? I kind of like it. I mean, it's kind of neat to do different things, right? You don't always want to do the same thing. So this one's going to go here. Happy day. And then let's do one more here. Stay true to you. Okay. I think it's done. Do we want to do anything along the bottom? I don't think so. I think I like it just like this. So let's see. What does our month look like? You know, I've got some of those stickers left over too, so I could decorate like this page. And not that I need to, but just to use up some of those stickers. Okay, so here is our calendar view, our dashboard, daily task pages. Very cute. And our journal page. Oh, that's right. I still need stickers to do my stats page. So, all right, there you go. Hey guys, just a quick little addition that I made after I finished the video and I started to take the pictures. I just added a few of these little flowers on top of the lines. I thought it would just kind of, I don't know, make them pop a little more. So that's it. Just wanted to quickly show you guys that. All right, bye.